Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this episode, I'm going to do a real quick troubleshooting video. Typically, when you navigate within Dynamics in a specific screen, you're going to see the navigation path. So let's say if now I'm navigating to General Ledger and I want to see a journal entry, you can go to General Journals, and on top, typically you will see the navigation path, right? But in my case, we don't see anything. So sometimes this is happening after the environment refresh. You may need to enable that configuration. So I'm going to show you how to enable that. Going to the System Admin module, and then as part of the setup, we have an option called Client Performance Options. And the first option or functionality here is Enable Legacy Navigation Bar. So if you enable this, and then we can do OK. Now let's refresh, and then you will be able to see if I navigate to General Ledger now, it's going to show the navigation path. So General Ledger, General Journals, and clearly from the top level, you can see step by step where you can get to the screen. So this is really helpful for the end users to understand how to find the screen. And with this video, hopefully that saves you some research time so you can enable that option right away. All right, that's all I want to cover in this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.